What's going on, party people? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson, here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're going to be diving into the world of Payments AI. Payments AI is the payment portal for ClickFunnels 2.0, and it's where all of your gateways essentially plug into. All right. Now, they made it possible very recently for you to go in and attach an existing Payments AI account to multiple workspaces. Now, I'm going to walk you through the process of how to actually achieve this, and it's not as crazy as it might sound. So with that said, let's jump over to my screen here and I'll walk you through everything you need to know. All right. So let's say, for example, we want to use the Payments AI account that I have currently connected and I'm using with this existing workspace in another workspace. All we have to do is go to the new workspace. All right. So click on your team settings down here at the bottom. You'll see your name, likely. In my case, it's Repair My Funnel. We'll click on this area down here. We'll see a pop-up. Right. From that pop-up, just find your team. All right. If you only have one there, that's normal. That's perfectly fine. I have multiple, so I have to search through everything to find the one I'm looking for. Okay. Once you find a team that you are trying to set this up for, go ahead and hover over it and click on the workspace that you want to actually add it for. Now, I'm going to use this one as an example. So we'll click on this one right here. And once that loads, I do not believe Payments AI is actually set up for this. It's not. So it makes it way easier. All we have to do is head over here to the plus icon right next to apps. Click on that directly, and it'll take us to our ClickFunnels 2.0 App Center. Once we are within this area right here, just click on Payments AI just like so, and it will take us directly to the next page here where we can add the app to our account. All right, just click on Add App, and it should redirect us to the login page for Payments AI. If you're already signed in, it will likely detect that you are trying to pull from that, or you can go ahead and just click on cancel, and you can log out of an existing one. You can see it's already kind of pulling the information just due to cache in the browser. If you run into any issues with that, just click on log out, and then from there you can go in and log into the correct account. That's it. As soon as you log in, this account or this Payments AI account is now connected to this workspace as well. It's actually in both locations, and you can continue running your business as intended. All right, how cool is that? All right, if you have any questions around this process at all, feel free to let me know. I know this wasn't a crazy tutorial, wasn't much to really cover. I just want to make sure that you're aware that this is even possible and that the ability exists. All right. So again, if you have any questions around this whole process we went through right now, or anything within the ClickFunnels ecosystem, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll point you in the right direction. All right. If you would rather hop on a call and have your questions actually answered live by me or someone on my team, then just go down to the description. There'll be a link down there to Gatecrash, our open office hours, where you can essentially ask any of your questions live on the spot for me or someone on my team, and we'll point you in the right direction right there and then. All right. Again, it's going to be down in the description. Just look for the area where it's talking about gate crashing an open office hours call, and that is where you're going to want to sign up. With that said, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.